Well, okay, this is June 19th, I think. Yeah, Wednesday. It's such a nice day here, and got such a good view of the G5RV antenna that my friends Whiskey 7 DOA and K9BRD helped me put up, and I just have to get a short video of it. Yeah, that yellow pole right there attaches to the easterly leg. It goes up, and I don't know, the whole angle of the antenna itself is a little over 120 degrees, I think, but split that in half, and you'll get roughly what each leg is in comparison to the mast. And if you look over there, like that's the digital TV antenna, and a little ways over to the right, like that one right there that's in the middle, that's a 2-meter antenna in the Yagi configuration right there. Anyway, it's a nice day here today. Made contact with some folks in Helena on my handheld, and in Sparks, Nevada on the big antenna there. Anyway, so Alice, Susie's sister, just been asking me about making some of these birdhouses. And so I'm going to embark upon perhaps some new endeavors for a while, like recreating a birdhouse like that, and maybe like that one right there. Not that easy to see. Anyway. Okay. I guess I'll stop this video and take a few stills. So, anywho, there's the wishing well of earlier this summer. And if you look right over there, you can see the little flower cart being pulled by the oxen. Retirement's not so bad. Anyway, this is the old ranger saying howdy and happy summer 2019. Let's hope it stays happy. All right.